Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, we're gonna be filming a bag unboxing. A luxury bag unboxing, if I may add. And if you know, you know. And if you don't, like this video and subscribe down below to join the harmony. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. Just gonna be reviewing everything about this bag, and I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside the bag and some mod shots, of course, just to be a size reference. As you can see, we have a Chanel, and if you guys don't know, Chanel is one of my favorite brands. They're just very classic and timeless. So let me just unbox this with you guys. So we gotta take off the flower. I love this flower, like it's so cute. Tie it like that. And once you open it, it looks like this. It's gonna come with its own dust bag. Not everyone wants the box, and the dust bag is important anyway to make sure that your bag is protected. I had got the Chanel Jumbo Classic bag. Look how beautiful she looks. Even though Chanel is already a timeless brand, but this bag right here is truly a timeless piece. And it's already a classic piece because the Chanel Classic flaps are the most bought bags, or one of the most bought bags. And the Chanel Classic flap is Chanel's signature style. I already have the medium size of the Chanel Classic flap, but the jumbo size is like perfect for an everyday bag. Well, actually depends like what you put in it, because the medium one can be an everyday bag too. I'm the type of person that has a lot of essentials, so this size bag is going to be perfect for me. Another thing that I really love about Chanel bags is that this type of bag will never go out of style, and it is a classic investment piece because over time the prices do go up because of the style and the material that's on this bag. It holds value really well. With all the other classic flaps that I have, the material on them is lambskin, and lambskin is really delicate, so if you accidentally scratch it with your nails, it may show up. But I really love the buttery softness with the lambskin. So with caviar leather, it has more texture to it, so it'll be more durable and less scratch resistant. So if anything, I could really tussle around with this bag, be a little bit rough, and she will still look brand new. Overall, I am pretty careful with my bags, especially my Chanels. I haven't tried caviar, so I thought this would be the perfect bag to have caviar leather on. This time, the hardware on this bag is silver. And if you guys know me, I always have to have gold. Actually, this is not gold, but gold. Like gold is really my color, and gold is actually my favorite color. This time I really just wanted silver, and I needed more silver in my wardrobe anyway because I already have a bag that has silver, but I think that's my only bag or second bag that has silver. Either way, this is my second or third bag that has silver hardware on it. And with the silver hardware, it can still match with my everyday outfits too, instead of just this bag being only a dresser bag. One thing I do wish that the classic flaps had was feet underneath the bag. I don't want this part to get damaged over time or get dirty. You don't want to put this on the floor. Just make sure you put it on a chair or have it hanging somewhere. Now I need to show you guys the inside of this bag. This is where the double flap comes in. This is the second flap that's on the bag. There's also a little pouch that's between this area right here. On the flap of this part, it has a zipper, and most people usually put like maybe their lip products or maybe money or change, or nothing at all. And then on the inside, it looks like this. As you can see, it has two pockets, 1, 2. It has a lipstick holder in the middle because this bag or this style is like from the 1960s. Not the jumbo size, but just the style of this bag. It has the double C logo that is stitched on. There's no zippers in here, but there is another compartment that's in the front, so you can put other items that you may want to fit between here. With this part, you can button it if you want to, but I usually don't button it because this part is going to be closing anyway. Behind this bag, there's another compartment that you can just put any of your essentials in. There's not really much to say about this bag because the bag does speak for itself. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a quick comparison between the medium size Chanel Classic flap versus the jumbo Classic flap. The size difference is clear as day, and I had just found this bag in my stuff finally, so I didn't realize that, oh, there's actually a pretty big obvious size difference. And no wonder why I could barely put anything in here. Maybe a couple items, but definitely I could fit almost all of my essentials. This is how they look side by side. Wow, okay, look at that difference. Behind it, like I had just mentioned too, all of my classic flaps have a lambskin material, and now I have one with a caviar leather material. So yeah, you can definitely tell the material difference. This one's more buttery and soft, but this one has more texture to it. Yep, there goes the size difference for you guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys what can fit inside of the Chanel Classic Jumbo Flap. Pretty much I did put almost all of my main necessities. I just couldn't fit a few different items. This is pretty spacious. I was able to fit this travel size perfume in here. This is the L'Or perfume. This is the scent Lovely and a Little Twisted. And I'm wearing it today actually. And it smells so freaking good. Then I have my lip combo, and I'm wearing the Face Secret Artist Shape and Sculpt lip liner pencil. This is in the shade Mauve Nude. Got this on TikTok shop. I don't know if they have this available on Amazon, but I'll try to link it down below. And then I have my Revolution lip gloss in the shade Candy Pink. So this is the combo for today. I have this super cute hair clip that I had got at TJ Maxx, my wallet, my keys, my AirPods in this Coco case. I have my glucose tablets, or you can put a snack in here, but I just have these. My travel size charger for my phone. My phone can fit in there too. And lastly, I have this 𝐏𝐤𝐻𝐿 hand and body lotion. Recently got this in my SV bag, and I really like how it feels on my hands. There was a little bit more space in here, but I didn't want this bag to feel too bulky or too heavy, but I was able to fit most of my essentials in here. Now I'm going to show you guys some mod shots of me wearing this bag. Just to be a size reference for you guys, I am 5'8", but I think I'm 5'1". I feel like I grew. Maybe I'm 5'1", but either way, I am pretty short, and I currently weigh 138. So let me show you guys how this bag will look on me. If you guys watched towards the end of this video, let's comment a heart emoji. Do not forget to like this video and comment down below, and subscribe to join the harmony. If you're interested in the products that was in the bag, I will have them linked down below. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.